that's that. We're gonna start doing the framing. I pre-cut most of the studs to 7 feet 6 inches, and then I also cut most of the rafters to 7 feet and an eighth at home. Just transported them up. It's just a 10'x12 camping cabin. Nothing huge, but it works for what we're trying to do. So this will be the entrance. And I'll have to take these trees down. All right, let's get at it. Wall framing's done. Moving on to the rafters. Trying out a ridge beam this time, since I'm doing the dormer. Made the using a ridge beam with a dormer seems to be the way to go. I think for smaller structures, I've seen some dormers without ridge beams, but it seems like it's way more sturdier and easier to work with. So we'll see how it goes. But the getting the rafters, I thought it'd be easier with a ridge beam, and then realized that getting a ridge beam up there is a little tricky. So we will work on that next. Good job, Lila. Figured out how to get the ridge beam on. Made a temporary holding structure. So I go from there. This will hold it in the middle and stabilize it while I catch there. So this morning, I need to take down some of these trees, and then we'll get back to finishing the camping cabin. Oh. Got most of the walls up. We're getting there. It's getting done. Yeah, I just gotta take these down. They're small, so it's easy. Not even a foot, maybe. Foot in diameter. We've got the painting crew.
It's all gone.
Any more? Yeah, I used all of Malachi's.
Can you get more?
Yeah, hold
Yeah,
on.
I actually need more too.
Yeah. I need more.
Just a walk for carrying everything. Making some breakfast. We're gonna start working on the roof today. Finally getting there. Yeah, it's a nice little walk carrying all the materials. It's probably the most tiring part of this whole project. Got the dormer up, so excited about this. Never done a dormer before. Extra space for the kids, but pre-cut a lot of this at home, designed it before we brought it up here, and it's going in pretty good so far. Alright, got it done enough for this trip. It's all sealed, shingled, sided, and some paint. Just need to do some trim next time. But we got to the point that I wanted to. Finish it next trip. Dormer worked out pretty good. Put in some stairs. This is where the kids are gonna sit or sleep. Worked out pretty well. A couple of boards I still need to install, but we should be good. So as of now, most of the kids can stand in the middle, and I can crouch down. Not bad. Nice view, bunch of scraps. All right. I'll post a little bit about the actual finished product. But this is to the point of being able to sleep in at least. Then we'll make it nice and cute. Minnesota camping cabin, round 2. This cost me about $3,000 all in, so not too bad. We'll add some more windows. Add 2 little windows on this side. And then we'll add... Oh, I locked it. What do you need to put in there? That's fine. I'll just put in the Forerunner. And we'll put 1 window there and 1 window there. All right.